Hello and welcome to Healthy Wallet. Investing in high-yield dividend stocks can be a great way to generate passive income. Dividend income investing is a strategy that involves buying stocks that pay out regular dividends to shareholders. These stocks can provide a steady stream of income, and with the right investment strategies, you can maximize your returns and generate more passive income. In this video, we will see a list of 6 high-yield dividend stocks with great possibilities for this year, and we will discuss the basics of high-yield dividend stocks and how they can help you generate passive income. So make sure to stay till the end so you don't miss any important thing. But before we get started, please take a moment to like this video and to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost anything for you, but it helps me a lot to improve the content I'm offering you. Number 1, Intel. Technology giant Intel has steadily increased its dividend over the years. While the chipmaker hasn't hiked its dividend every year, it has given investors a raise in most of the 27 years since it first started paying dividends. The company generates lots of cash, giving it the money to expand its business while returning billions to shareholders through share repurchases and dividends. Number 2, WP Carey. WP Carey is a REIT that owns a diversified real estate portfolio. The company has an excellent dividend track record and has increased its payout each year since its IPO in 1998. Behind that steady growth has been WP Carey's ability to steadily expand its portfolio of cash-flowing commercial real estate. With a solid financial profile, the REIT has the flexibility to keep growing in the coming years. Number 3, Enbridge. Canadian oil pipeline giant Enbridge has been an outstanding dividend stock over the years. It has paid dividends for more than 66 years, including expanding its payout in each of the past 26 years by a 10% compound annual rate. If Enbridge wasn't a Canadian company, it would qualify for dividend aristocrat status. While the world is transitioning its fuel supply from oil to cleaner alternatives, Enbridge is adapting by investing in infrastructure to support natural gas projects and offshore wind farms. Those investments have the company on track to increase its cash flow per share by 5% to 7% per year through at least 2023, which should support continued dividend growth. Number 4, Enterprise Products Partners. Enterprise Products Partners ranks as one of the top players in the midstream oil and gas market. The Master Limited Partnership, MLP, has increased its payout for more than 20 consecutive years. While the company currently focuses on fossil fuels, it formed an evolutionary technology group in 2021 to pursue opportunities in energy transition. Those future investments should give Enterprise the fuel to continue increasing its dividend. Number 5, Medical Properties Trust. Medical Properties Trust is a REIT focused on owning hospitals. The company acquires hospitals from healthcare systems and leases them back to those operators. That strategy has enabled it to steadily increase its portfolio, cash flow, and dividend, with the latter expanding in each of the past 8 years at a 5% compound annual rate. Medical Properties has a massive opportunity to acquire additional hospital properties, which should support continued dividend growth. And finally, the number 6, Verizon Communications. Telecommunications giant Verizon has been a great income stock over the years. The company delivered its 14th consecutive annual dividend increase in 2021. Verizon should be able to continue increasing its dividend as it invests to transition its mobile network to 5G, thereby bringing faster data speeds to its customers. We are coming to the end of our list. If you have other dividend actions in mind, share them with us in the comments section. Investing in high-yield dividend stocks is a great way to generate passive income and build wealth. Dividend investing strategies are an attractive option for investors because they offer the potential for higher returns than traditional investments, with less risk. High-yield dividend stocks can provide investors with a steady stream of income, as well as capital appreciation. The pros and cons of investing in dividend stocks depend on the individual investor's goals and objectives. While there are risks associated with investing in any stock, the best dividend-paying stocks have a track record of producing consistent returns over time. However, choosing the right stock is not always easy. With so many options available, it can be difficult to know which stocks will provide the best return on your investment. I already made a video on this channel where I explained the reasons why dividend stocks are a great investment and how to choose the right stock before investing. Here we are at the end of our video. Thank you for watching it till the end. I hope you liked it and you found it helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel so you'll stay updated every time I post a new video.